Oh my days, my bad. I'm sick. Excuse my voice for this video. But anyways, hi, Dumpling here. Uh in this video I'll be showing you how I make my secondary pair of arms for Vrchat that you've probably seen on many of my models. It is quite easy to make. It takes about like what 5 minutes to get the FBX working. Though yeah, posing every single bone in Unity can be a little bit longer. I will admit that, especially if you're using arms like the hyena's arms that has like a bunch more bones in the fingers. But that's fine. I will be showing you in this video how to get the FBX of your avatar's arms, scale it down, export it into Unity properly, and install it onto your avatar. I will not be showing you how to pose the arms on your avatar. You can figure that out yourself. It's just posing bones in Unity, no animations, no nothing. Yeah, so you wanna have 4 arms? I got you. Watch this video. Okay, let me clear things up about what I'm doing right now in Blender. It doesn't matter if your model does not look like mine. You can do this with pretty much any avatar you would like to do it with. The process may be a little bit different depending on the bones you have, depending on the mesh you have, and that is fine. You do need a little bit of Blender knowledge to follow this tutorial, but I will generally go over everything pretty much in a good bit of detail, but you're fine. It'll be fine. Don't worry, you got this. First thing you're gonna do, copy, paste your body. You'll end up with like another armature and a duplicate of your body. Gonna name that like arms or second arms or whatever you want to name them. Edit mode. I'm gonna go to your materials here and you're going to select anything that isn't your body. Here is this. So, delete. Can hide the first one as well. And you're basically going to mark where you want your seam to be. So here we're going to do like it doesn't really matter if the seam isn't perfectly like a straight line. So mark that as a seam, and you're going to do this on the other side as well. That you've made your seams, you're going to grab anything that you would want to delete. So basically anything that is not the arms. Make sure you have like this here. You have this seam selected. And you're gonna delete that. Grab your armature, edit mode, and you are going to leave the chest here. Yeah, the chest. Let's go with the chest. And delete everything else. Now, make everything else reappear, grab the armature of the second arms and just scale it down. Like a good bunch here. Press G, Z. Press G, Z. And just put it like here. Adjust it a little bit if it needs to be. And then if it pokes out a little bit, what you're gonna do, go to sculpting and just like push that in a little bit. Make sure you're not doing that on a blend shape. And wow, look at that. You are done with the blender part. Okay, so you probably noticed that my PNG tuba was not participating in whatever the hell I was doing, so that's fine. For the sake of this, I'm going to show you how to properly export something for Unity, for Vrchat. So, going to select Shift here, you select this, Shift click on your armature. Go to File, Export, FBX. Now that you're here, what you're going to do is grab your Unity project, right click in the middle of everything, show and explore, and it will bring you into the asset folder. You can put it anywhere you want, really, but yeah. So you're gonna paste this here, and you'll name that like second arms. Press selected object, FBX all here, uncheck this, open the armature, uncheck this as well. Click export, and now, if Unity wants to participate, you'll have something here. Now, this is not the edit we have. You're gonna drag this onto your avatar, and with VRC Fury, gonna look for armature link, and maybe depending on your model, it may be the chest or the spine. Most of the time it is the spine, so I just put it to the spine. And now, if you want to test it, of course it'll stay like this, right? Because we haven't posed them, we haven't done anything to them. But if you just walk around, they now stick to the sides of your avatar and they move with you. They move around with you. So this is what you want. Now with this, you can give them fizz bones to make them like wobble a bit or animate them, and you can pose them for them to be like on your side, on your chest, like folded here, crossed maybe too. You can do basically anything you want. Yeah, have fun with your forearms now.